This probably is one. Here we go, box of SP Game Use. Vu. Good luck, sir. Here we go. I think you got your rookie in the first pack. Numbered 48 of 58, rookie, Carter Camper. Numbered 48 of 58, rookie. And Authentic Fabrics for Calgary, Sven Berchi. So nice first box. Berchi and a rookie. Next, wow, that's nice. For the LA Kings, autograph, Yari Curry. Yari Curry auto for the Kings. Next, Team Canada Fabrics, Ryan Ellis. Triple Authentic Fabrics, Ryan Miller, Thomas Vanek, Tyler Myers. Triple. And last pack. Wow. What a box. Tandem Twigs, Johnny Busick, Phil Esposito. Tandem Twigs. So, there you have it, sir.